So, you're getting married. Congratulations. You're in the right place. This channel, all about weddings. Hi, my name's Bill. I'm part of the team at Ridgeway. Ridgeway is one of the busiest UK wedding venues, nearly 200 weddings this year, even more next year. So over the last 10 years, we've learned an awful lot about weddings, and we thought it's time to start sharing that with other couples not getting married at Ridgeway. So this is going to be all about tips, tricks, money-saving ideas, and inspiration. If you think that might be of interest, please consider subscribing and clicking the bell and all those good things. We intend to put new videos up every week, different themes, different topics, so keep an eye out. I'm sure you'll find something of interest. There's going to be something for everybody. Anybody that's getting married needs to have a look at this channel. Please share that with as many people as you can. So today's video is Abby. She's talking about the yesterday setup. It was a fabulous wedding. The sun was shining, loads of ideas, loads of different things that we'd like to share with you. So without further ado, I'll pass you over to Abby. Bye.
Hi, I'm Abby. I'm part of the team at Ridgeway and I'm going to show you today's setup. What a gorgeous white wedding. So today our couple chose the finishing touches package. Our couple also chose a classic elegant setup today with white chiffon chair drapes accompanied by fresh gypsophilia sprigs. Our couple also chose a gorgeous minimalistic welcome sign and seating chart. This goes perfectly with the white and gold table decorations and centerpieces. The weather for today's wedding was also absolutely beautiful. This really made the crisp white and gold setup stand out, giving that a bold wedding feeling right here in the UK. Now let's move on to the other unique aspects chosen for this wedding. Firstly, we've got the icebreaker game. This game is absolutely perfect for breaking the ice and settling everyone in. This also provides talking points, which is always a bonus. Secondly, we've got our sweet and savoury snacks. We've got our crisp wall and our sweet cards. Although our guests never go hungry, having a little sweet and savoury snack on hand throughout the night is always a big hit. Next, we've got these stunning drink stirrers, adding a personalised touch to the wedding. We've then got the children's play area to keep the younger guests busy throughout the night. This was brought in by another company the guests are hired, which will be linked down below, along with the audio guest book. This is the perfect touch for those who would prefer to have an audio memento of their wedding night. This allows guests to leave any message they want just by picking up the phone. And lastly, we've got our classic box of flip-flops, because when you're dancing all day and night, your feet do just need a break. Here is our coordinator Ali, just adding some finishing touches to today's setup. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button for more wedding content here at All About Weddings.